Does Mr. Dennis Cunanan agree with that?
I suppose so, Your Honor, because of the
You're not
representation.
supposed to. You better tell me
Yes, Your
right
Honor.
now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, okay. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I also have to manifest that Mr. Cunanan also said that he agrees with Ms. Paterna, admitting that Ms. Paterna ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon.
Mr. Dennis Cunanan, last na lang po to sa issue na to. Since you started with Whirlwind, di ba? Tama?
No, sir. Lucky South.
As consultant, di ba?
Lucky South, Your Honor.
Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
But, alam mo po na si Paterna is with Whirlwind originally.
Yes, Your Honor, because they were the ones who handles the facility.
Who handles the facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
And even the lease contract, alam mo rin yun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Na she was the one who represents in that contract, first contract, with the Cruz family.
Yung first contract, Your Honor, it was the original incorporator of Whirlwind, Mascarenas po.
Mascarenas, but nandun din si Paterna.
Employee po nila.
Oh. Tapos, nag-Lucky South siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Siya na ngayon nag-represent sa Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Last na lang, Ms. Paterna. Do you confirm the statement of Dennis Cunanan or you still refute?
Alam ko po. Nakis.
And then, do you confirm na una, nasa Whirlwind ka? Tama?
Opo.
Okay. At least sumagot siya ng tama. So, Mr. Chairman, with that, I withdraw my motion, Mr. Chairman.
Lucky South 99, and upon discovery of this document, they came out with a press statement, press conference, showing that there is a document which bears the name of Attorney Harry Roque there. You're not aware of that?
I was aware of my name in the Senate hearing. It was Senator Risa Ontiveros that brought it out,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Salamat, Secretary Harry Roque. And I also remember that you mentioned in both hearings, both in the Senate and in the House, that you used to stay in that house in Tuba, Benguet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. The Tuba house in Benguet is owned by PH2 Corporation.
Yes, Your
Is that
Honor.
correct? So when you stayed in that house, Secretary Harry Roque, did you have to lease it with the PH2 Corporation?
No, Your Honor.
You did not.
I did not.
Then when you left the house, you had it leased to a certain Wayuan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wayuhan? Is there a
Yawan.
lease
Yes, Your
agreement
Honor.
between...
Yes, Your Honor. I submitted it to this committee, Your Honor.
There was a submission, Comsec, no? So, yung bang rental income that you made, the PH2 gained from that lease agreement between Wayawan and PH2, where you are an incorporator, am I correct?
I am not an incorporator in PH2. I'm an incorporator in Biancham,
And
which in
Biancham
turn owns. Yes, Your Honor.
So did you reflect this, I suppose, in your salary?
Well, it was only for the year, Your Honor. It was not leased when I was in government. So it was leased after I was already in government. So
Sige.
it was not reflected in salary, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. And siguro to give time to others as well, I just would like to manifest that on the second round, this representation would like to ask questions again. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
You want to be included in the second round?
Yes.
Are you sure? Congressman Abante. Ay, ano pala? Sige, Congressman Abante. Before you... sige, ikaw na muna nga. Huli na naman ako. Sige.
Oh,
okay,
ako na.
second round mo na to, di ba?
Yes.
So, I'll be asking muna ako muna. So, I'll be asking yung...
Ikaw na muna.
Because this is your second round, di ba?
Ha?
This
Yes,
is your
second round. Oh.
So,
I'm now the next.
allow muna yung mga... may tanong lang ako sa ano? Sa PIDEA. PIDEA, General Lasso, have you encountered yung mga companies? You have coordination with PAOK already, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron na tayong mga coordination.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Chairman Akop.
I was about to give my time to the Honorable Abante kasi meron lang daw siyang tatanungin sa kapulisan. But since question nyo na second round na pala siya, eh ako po hindi pa nakaka-first round. Pwede po bang mag-first round muna
Okay.
ako?
Congressman Akop, I thought Congressman Akop will not be asking question. But you are now recognized, Chairman Akop. Mamaya na tayo, General Lasso, ha? Okay.
Thank you. May I ask Secretary Roque, in the last hearing, you were required to submit to this committee the documentations confirming the ownership of the house in Pinewood subdivision, including the ownership structure of the corporation that owns the property. Have you submitted such?
I have a soft copy of the TCT
Ang
with
tanong
me.
ko po is, have you submitted such?
Hindi po, but I can submit po.
Thank you. Do you also, have you already submitted a copy of the lease contract between Yun Wan and your wife, Madam Myla Roque?
Yes, Your Honor.
Submitted already?
Submitted already, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have you already submitted the articles of incorporation and other relevant documents for PH2 Corporation, the corporation, as you have stated, that owns the house in Pinewood subdivision?
Your Honor, in the last meeting, Congressman Paduano said that it should be the SEC that should furnish this committee with those articles.
That's what the Honorable Paduano said. That's not what I said.
Nope. Well, I haven't submitted, Your Honor, but I was on the assumption that the SEC will bring it here. But that will be no problem. I can submit it, Your Honor.
Thank you. You were also required to submit documentation confirming your formal entry of appearance in the three courts, Municipal Trial Court of Porac, Pampanga, the RTC 114 of Angeles City, and the Court of Appeals in the Whirlwind Corporation case. Has this been complied?
Mr. Chair, it has been complied.
It has been complied.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, may I know, Secretary Roque, when did Whirlwind Corporation get you as their lawyer?
Formally for the ejectment case in the month of August of 2023, Your Honor.
2023. So in other words, it's because of the ejectment case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you know that in the past, before you were taken as counsel, your friend, Miss Catherine Cassandra Ong, was part of Whirlwind Corporation and later on was also part of Lucky South 99?
I knew, Your Honor, that she was part of Whirlwind, and after our meeting with PAGCOR, she became representative of Lucky South for PAGCOR as well.
So, kayo po ay isang abogado. Ano po yung conclusion nyo ron?
Ang conclusion ko po, kilala ko siya bilang empleyada talaga ng Whirlwind. Kasi,
Pero
matagal ko na po...
alam nyo rin po na empleyado rin siya ng Lucky South.
Hindi naman po, kasi nung nag-meeting po kami, doon lang siya naging representative ng Lucky South. At ang alam ko nga, hindi ka naman kinakailangan maging stockholder or officer ng licensee para maging representative, gaya po nung pinalitan niya na si Dennis Cunanan, na hindi naman po officer at hindi rin po stockholder ng Lucky South.
So, you're not aware of the sublease agreements between Whirlwind Corporation and Lucky South 99, and there were two sublease agreements. Are you not aware of it?
Hindi po, nung nag-file po kami ng entry of appearance sa ejectment, kasi ang kaso po na ejectment ay sa panig po ng mga Cruz at sa panig ng Whirlwind. So ang nagkakasuhan po, Cruz and Whirlwind, hindi naman po kasama sa kaso ang Lucky South. So yung kasong hinawakan ko lang po is kaso ng Cruz at ng Whirlwind.
Yeah. Did you file a manifestation in court para po may quash yung warrant, search warrant, at saka para makuha yung mga documents doon po sa raid sa Lucky South 99?
Opo, may mga dokumento po ako doon na protektado po ng batas, yung mga bank documents po na ibinigay ko sa aking staff na nakitira doon sa Porac na naisa publiko po, at nakita ko nga po sa TikTok na nais sa publiko yung mga dokumentong yon. So nag-file po ako ng motion to quash para maibalik po yung mga dokumento.
Ang sabi po nyo, mayroon po kayong mga privileged documents na nandun saan po?
Doon po sa renade na lugar sa Porac.
Saan po specifically? Doon sa place ng Pogo Hub.
Doon po sa
Bakit?
pag-aari ng Whirlwind po.
So, parehas ang location ng Whirlwind at saka Lucky South 99. That is what you're telling us.
Sila po may-ari talaga ng buong premises ng Whirlwind na pinaupahan po nila sa Lucky South.
Hindi po totoo yun. Kasi ang may-ari ng lugar talaga ay yung mga Cruz.
Yung lupa po.
Close friend ni Roslyn.
Mr. Chairman, yung lupa po, pero yung buildings po,
Yeah, I
sila
know.
nagtayo po.
Technicality na lang yun, attorney. Pero bakit po kayo may kwarto doon?
Hindi po ako may kwarto doon.
Sino
yung naging empleyado ko po na nag-aaral po sa isang aviation school sa Clark.
Bakit po siya nandun? Empleyado po ninyo.
Ex-employee ko po. Dahil nag-aaral po siya sa aviation school.
Ex na pala.
Ex na po.
Attorney, ex.
Opo, ex.
Pero bakit nandun pa yung dokumento mo sa kanyang kwarto?
Well, unang-una po kasi, yung dokumento po has something to do with the travel to Ukraine. May gera po kasi sa Ukraine at naanyayahan ako ng gobyerno ng Ukraine na sumapi sa isang peace conference. At minabuti ko naman dahil may gera nga doon na dapat meron akong kasama. So nagkaroon po ng pagpapalit ng plano, ura-urada, sinabi ko doon sa dati kong empleyado, umatras yung dalawang kausap ko na dapat kasama ko, subukan nating ihabol ng papeles mo. At nahihabol naman po dahil ang pagpasok sa Ukraine via Poland at binigyan naman po kami ng expedited visa ng Poland at ang visa naman po sa Ukraine ay binigay ng Ukrainian government. So kaya po nandun yun, kinakailangan ko magbigay ng affidavit of support. At dahil nakitira po doon yung aking ex-employee, doon po nakahanap yung dokumentong yon.
Kailan po nawala na empleyado nyo yung tao po na yun?
Well, Marso of 2023, wala na po siya. Pero sa Malacanang po, kasama ko yan. So kasama ko po siya at isang buong team ng social media team hanggang ako po ay tumakbo para sa Senado. So that was November 2021 when I was deemed resigned. Pero yung grupo po nila nanatili sa akin hanggang eleksyon. And itong nakitira po sa Pogo ay hanggang March of 2023, pero meron pa po akong dalawang na-retain din hanggang month of August of 2023. Ngayon po, wala na akong kasama ngayon sa law office ko na nakasama ko dati.
Pwede ko bang isipin na kaya nandun siya sa Pogo Hub na yun dahil sa pakiusap ninyo?
Well, pwede nyo pong maisip yun. Sa katunayan po, kasi nung August, akala po nila tapos na ang boxing. Kasi meron ng writ of execution po. Pero nung nag-file po kami sa RTC na motion to recall the writ of execution, hindi naman namin inaasahan, nagtagumpay po. So hindi sila napaalis kaagad, bagamat dapat by August napaalis na sila. So parang tinanaw naman po nila na utang na loob na hanggang ngayon po, hindi pa sila napapaalis doon, no? Dahil nagpunta naman kami sa Court of Appeals. At siguro po, tumanaw rin ng utang na loob at pinagbigyan yung aking dating tao.
So, kayo po ang nakiusap?
Hindi po. Ang nag-usap po talaga ay yung empleyado ko at saka si Cassie Ong.
Paano sila nagkakilala?
Well, nagpulong po kami matapos pong isang pagbibista dyan po sa...
Kayo po ang nagpakilala?
Ako po nagpakilala.
Yes.
Ako nagpakilala.
Thank you.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Pedrito Miranda, congrats to all our good congressman, ang gagaling ninyo kasi nabisto si Roque. Pahayag naman ni Angelo Tacdera, from a human rights lawyer to great Pogo defender. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Erwin Espinosa, tama nga ang hinala ko dati na malalaking tao ang protector ng Pogo. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.